Hi everyone, welcome back. This is NikkaNadia and we are going to be learning the box today. So let's stand with our feet a small hip distance apart, finding our belly dance posture. Knees are softly bent, lower back elongating, lower belly gently lifting up, chest opening, arms open to the sides. Let's begin by taking our pelvis into a tuck and a tilt. Tuck, tilt, tuck, tilt, tuck, and tilt. So a tuck, we're lengthening and taking our lower spine into flexion, curling our tail as if we're a dog, putting our tail between our legs, under, and then extend, releasing. I don't want you to go as far as you possibly can. That may create some unnecessary pressure in the lower back. Just go to a nice release. So tuck, release, and tuck, release, tuck, release. My knees are bent and chest is open, and tuck, release, tuck, release, release, tuck, release, tuck, release, tuck, release, tuck, release, and tuck, release. Now let's practice moving our hips side to side, side to side, side to side, and side to side. Simply shifting back and forth. Both knees stay bent. Okay. Side to side, side to side, side to side, side to side. So let's put those all together. And we're going to go around. Let's start to our left. Knees are bent. Take your pelvis, tuck, go left, release, right, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side. Let's keep going. Tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side, and now a little faster. Here we go. We have tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side. Chest is lifted, breathing, smiling. Tuck, side, back, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side. Da 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 da. Rest. Let's do the other direction. Tuck, right, back, left, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side. So we're making a box. Tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side. And we go faster and tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side. Da 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 da. And rest. Well done, you guys. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll be back and hope to see you very soon.